First of all, select a background. Just go to the select a solid color. Think black would be perfect. Then just place a picture and go to the placing that and embed a picture over here. Just place and make it to the center. I think it's perfect. And just check and select the text tool and write a text letter S over here. Then just scale it by pressing Ctrl T. Check this and press Ctrl T and scale the letter S according to the picture. I think it's cool. Then just press Ctrl 0 and convert the text layer into the shape. Convert into the shape. Then just go to the shape, increase the stroke size, choose the color white and make the fill none. Then add a mask over the text and choose the brush tool. Just remove it from here. Do it carefully. I think it's good enough. Then go to the right click over here, go to the blending option, choose outer glow, add glow over here and just okay, and make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl J to increase the intensity of glow.